Tananen, tananen. Okay. Abraham. Wait lang. I-X ko muna. Abraham Siraon 7 Drexler DepEd Tao Binyan City Science and Technology High School. Kevin Tamards from Fortnite University National High School, Philippines. Dominic Garcia from Filipino International Fortnite Academy. Kingshin 14 from University of No Personality Kids Fortnite. Tamares Chris Kevin 6 San Pedro Calungsod Growing Seed Learning School. Devin Rondon from Sweaty Kids Fortnite Academy. Uy, idol! Idol Christian to the most positive community on Facebook Gaming University. Congratulations, Idol. Idol, congratulations. Okay na yun, man. Graduate na kayo, man. Graduate na kayo, guys. Guys, hindi kayo proud? Hindi kayo proud sa sarili nyo nakagraduate kayo dito sa stream na to? Hindi kayo proud? Hindi kayo proud? Putya, man, maging proud kayo, man. Graduate na kayo, man, sa stream na to. Congratulations, guys. I now pronounce you as graduate. I now pronounce you as graduates, man. Ganito, man. Kapag graduate ka, ito yung graduation cap mo. Nandito yung parang ililipat mo ata sa left. Ay, hindi, nandito ata. Ililipat mo. Gayahin nyo, guys. Graduate na kayo, men. Ilipat nyo. Kunwari, ito yung nandito yung parang tela, di ba? Ganyan nyo, men. Gawin nyo ako, ha. I now pronounce you as graduates. Ayan, graduate na kayo, man. Congratulations, guys. Ayun na, balik na tayo yung Fortnite, man.